What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor right now. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right, I'm back today to do a review, another review. I've done a few of these on M.A.P, My Automatic Pay. Okay, this system pays out $247 commissions over and over and over. Okay, so we're going to go over it. And if you're interested in getting started, the link will be in the description, www.besteasyworkincome.com. So you're able to make $247 over and over. All right, with this one, they have the done for you traffic. I think this is a perfect newbie-friendly opportunity to make money online because they include everything. Everything is included. The capture pages, the autoresponder, the whole shebang. So let's go over it and let me show you. So they have the done for you traffic included. Here are the traffic packages. Traffic is king. Yes, you must have leads to be in business. You've got to have people looking at your opportunity. Okay? That is our job as an affiliate marketer. But with affiliate marketing, that's what I like about it. Everything is already set up. You don't have to create websites. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to handle customer support. All you do is get people to your capture page. They've set up the video right here. This is a video that your prospects will watch. So you don't have to explain the program. Let the system do all the selling and telling for you. That is the heavy lifting. So your job, my job, is to get people over to your page. Okay? So they have traffic packages, the starter kit, the driver kit, the serious kit, the advanced kit, and I'll go in the back office, the membership area, and show you what the cost would be. Okay, so this is the new page. They've updated it, and they have on this page some results of members that have actually made money with the program. So this is a good page to send to your list so they can see that people have made money with the opportunity. Okay, so this is a sales page. They have actually two pages. All right, two capture pages and two sales pages. So if we go down, they do have digital products that's included with this. This is just not a system that we're reselling over and over. You actually get digital products. Okay, I'll show you that as well. So you get a sales funnel, guys. It's already done for you. You have the opportunity to make $247 over and over any way you want. You decide how you want to get paid. The autoresponder is built in as well. Everything is already included. This system will follow up with your prospects on your behalf. This is a member-to-member direct sales program. You pay directly and instantly from the person that joins you. Okay? As mentioned earlier, you get a digital library of products to teach you how to market online. They have the done for you traffic packages and strategies that's included in this system, all in one. Okay, you get paid automatically via Cash App, Zelle, debit card, Venmo, however you want to get paid. You set that up in your dashboard in the profile. Okay, this program also includes what they call a reverse one-up. Everybody passes up their second sale. So this gives you leverage to be able to make income passively from other people's efforts. Okay, so let's go take a look at the traffic because I want you to see how you can just order your traffic, everything right from your back office. Now this is $247 one time, no monthly fees with this, and then you pay $247 plus $33 for your setup. So you're looking at what, $280 for a business in a box, capture pages, autoresponder, everything you need, one system. Okay, and you're all set. All right, so let's go take a look. Well, how much does the traffic cost me? Okay, that I'm sure is the next question. So let's go take a look. Okay, so this is in your members area. Just click on resources and solo ads. So right here, All right, let's take a look. So for a 100-click solo ad, you're looking at $95. For a 200-click solo ad, it's $160. For 500 targeted visitors to come to your website, it's $335. For 800 visitors, it's $480. For 1,000 visitors, it's $575. Okay? Now, when you get started with me, I'm going to run your first traffic campaign. And then I also have different resources that you can use to buy solo traffic from, okay? But this is included in the back office. All right, guys? Now let me show you the 2 capture pages, because this is what our job is. We're into the lead generation business. Yes, we want to make sales, but you got to generate leads, right? So when you're out here promoting your link, your page, you want to send people to the capture page, not the landing page. The landing page is for people that have already opted in to your capture page, or if you already have a list of people and you just want them to check out this opportunity, then you send them to your sales page, your video sales page. Other than that, when you're talking to cold traffic, strangers, people that have no idea what this is all about, you want to send them to a capture page. So let me show you the 2 pages. This is the one I'm using. Okay, right here, as you can see. So you would give the vendor your link if you're going to use this one to this page. Then they enter in their name and email. Remember, the email follow-up series that the company has already created is going to follow up for you. So you don't have to go out and get, unless you want to, a Weber Get Response or any of that. It's already built in, ready to go. Okay, that's one page. Okay, and here's another capture page. Okay, so we got 2 capture pages and 2 video sales pages. Now, as I stated, when you get started with me, send me an email. Okay, you're going to log into your dashboard, your members area, and right here it says your referral link. I want you to go there and copy this link, email it to me. You're going to send that to me, and that's the link I'm going to give to the solo ad vendor to send traffic to your link to get your business going. Okay, this is a bonus traffic package that I'm giving you, okay, to get you started, to kickstart your business. You'll start seeing some leads come in. You're going to be notified via email when people start looking at your opportunity. Okay, you'll get an email from the system. All right, guys, and remember, you get paid any way you want. You decide how you want to get paid. Okay, here's your options: Authorize.net, PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, Dinero. Manual means any other way that you want to get paid, like Zelle. They have Gizmo and Venmo. Okay, all right. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, making $247 over and over, this system may be what you want to look at. The link is in the description. Again, because everything is included: the capture pages, the autoresponder, everything you need, where to buy traffic. They give you a few different options in your members area. Not to mention, I'm going to give you some of my recommended vendors that I use. And then again, I'm going to send your first traffic campaign for you. Okay, so perfect business in a box for a newbie, or someone just says, hey, I've been looking for something like this where I don't have to go outside of the system and get a separate autoresponder that's going to cost me a monthly fee, and then another marketing system. You can get everything you need right here for $280, a business in a box, ready to go out the gate. Okay, so go check out the link in the description, www.besteasyworkincome.com. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'm here to help, here to answer any questions you may need. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for me, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. Have a blessed day.